Hi everyone. The study I'm presenting today on genomic solutions for improved parasitic resistance in Scottish Blackface sheep has been carried out as part of my PhD project. For this, a series of disease, performance, and immunological traits were recorded on lambs. From the initial genetic analysis, we know that selection is possible for all traits, as all of these have been found to have significant genetic variation. Both infection and immune responses affect live weight. And finally, Th1 and Th2 immune responses are partially under the same genetic control. The same lambs were genotyped, and after quality control and imputation, we ended up with around 45,000 SNPs and roughly 1,700 animals. GWAS was then performed for all previously mentioned traits. We identified potential SNPs of interest in almost all traits analyzed, and most of these potential SNPs are above the suggestive level of significance. A relatively larger spike for IgA was detected on chromosome 18 that reached genome-wide level significance. Furthermore, the proportion of genetic variation explained by each SNP was calculated. All significant and suggestive SNPs identified in the genomic analysis were mapped to the reference genome and annotated. Gene ontology then revealed a significant number of genes that have been identified as having a role in innate immunity, adaptive immunity, and some of these have overlapping roles in both innate and adaptive immunity. In conclusion, this study provides strong evidence of the possibility to select lambs for disease resistance based on these traits. Our results support the hypothesis that resistance to parasitic infection is under the control of multiple loci. Within the relevant SNP markers identified, we have found several genes that are closely related with immune function. Finally, we believe that a multitude of these genes might prove useful for selection for improved resistance to parasites in Scottish Blackface sheep lambs. With that, I want to thank you all for listening. If you have any questions or any feedback, you are welcome. And yeah, that's me. Thank you.